Audience, welcome to my channel Surbhi, and this is the reading for you. It's a bonus reading for you, rather, I should say. And as you know, they are general readings, they may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. Okay, and they may be your energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if the reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign, Venus sign, and the name sign. For the personal reading, the details are given in the description box below. And yeah, you can follow me on Instagram. The link is given below, and there the readings are done in Hindi as well as in English. Okay, so Taurians, you are there is something, definitely you are being obsessed over something. You are in a very bad mental state, I should say, in the sense that you are being very anxious, very controlled. Either you are in influence of such energies, somebody who is taking a toll on your health, a very toxic environment is there around you. Okay, or you are behaving like that. Okay, there is something very toxic in your life. You're dealing with very controlling energy. You have a very bad experience of this person or this situation, and that is totally tying you down. You need to let go of this negative energy. You have to let go of this negative energy, Taurians. Only then you will be able to come out of it, and I think you are doing that with the Queen of Wands following it and with the Five of Swords. What I feel is there is something which is very toxic in your environment holding you back. Okay, so the environment, basically I'm getting the word environment is like that. Maybe it can be fights, it can be obsessiveness, it can be that controlling energy in which you just can't do anything, and it is all coming from a bitter space, from a negative state of mind. And over here what I feel is, see, it can be that whosoever it is, this is the interior of the person and this is the exterior of the person. That the person looks very good on the outside, the externally the person is very good, cool, calm, complacent. That is, they have that devilish side to them. Or perhaps you are leaving this situation because there is a Five of Swords also here. So somebody here is leaving the battlefield. The emotions are too much. It is getting overwhelming. There is a lot of turmoil of emotions basically, and somebody is definitely leaving the battlefield. Some event has definitely occurred over here which makes you leave the battlefield or make somebody leave the battlefield. Okay, and people are leaving each other over here. Basically it's all about that. Okay, and then I feel here we have the Hierophant also. So maybe you need the help of some counselor, some priest, some guide, some prayer, some meditation to come out of it. Or maybe whatever it is happening in a marriage, because it is a spiritual and a traditional card out here. So maybe whatever this is happening in a marriage situation, because again there is a lot of conflict, lot of fight with the Ten of Wands, Five of Wands. There is a lot of conflict, lot of burden, lot of arguments. Many things are happening out here. So you need some sort of solace. You need to pray. You need some sort of solace out here, and you need to take the advice of somebody, basically what I feel. Because again there is an Emperor over here, again Emperor, and again there is a Three of Swords. So somebody here is very controlling, very dominating, and this situation is causing a lot of pain. It's a lot of pain over here in this situation. There is a lot of fight, lot of pain in this situation. And with the Six of Pentacles, things are just, they're just trying to balance. There's not a lot of investment of emotions over here. It is just the little bit of emotions are being invested in this situation, whatever the situation is, and just as much as what is required to sustain it, only that much emotions are being invested in this situation. So the overall energy which I'm getting here, Taurians, is there is a lot of conflict over here, a lot of fight, a lot of burden, a lot of heart pain, a lot of agony, basically, I should say, in this situation. And it is all because of the fact that there is a person who is very, very controlling, has a negative mindset, very toxic attitude, a very brutal attitude, I should say. Okay, it's happening because of that, and you have to come out of it. And here with the 10 of hearts, which is the wheel of fortune, I think things will change. Things will change for the better. You have to come out of it. You have to come out of it. Whatever the situation is, you are dealing in a very, very toxic environment, Taurians. You have to come out of it. And here with the wheel of fortune, I think things will change for the better. Things should change. They should take a turn. I think again and again it is something which is going on inside a marriage. And it's been happening since quite some time. Okay, Taurians, just try to come out of this situation. You need to change it. Okay, so thank you. That's all I have for you. Hope it helps.